I'm Vince Atta. I'm a stand-up comedian and writer, and I was one of the creative fellows at the Manchester International Festival 2021. As part of the fellowship, we got mentors. My mentor was Roy Alexander Weiss, who is the creative director of the Royal Exchange Theatre. Just watching him dance through the chaos of lockdown and try and reopen the Royal Exchange Theatre, it was inspiring. It was great to see. The Frog and Bucket, this is where I had my first ever gig. There was a competition night called Beat the Frog. I came here, I wrote my material, I was ready, and I died so hard. But I knew what I'd done wrong. I came back, tried again, and I did it. I beat the frog, and from then I was hooked. I was in. I was a comedian, whether I liked it or not. The Alternative Black Cabaret Showcase began in Edinburgh. There's nowhere for artists of colour in Edinburgh to perform. That's how it started. And then we just decided to take it around the country. So we've played here, we've done all over the place. It's a lot of fun and it's necessary. What got me into the Creative Fellowship is I've been writing a musical based in Moss Side in the 1980s. It's the idea, it's a story of like a young mixed race kid moving from a very white neighbourhood to a very black neighbourhood, and the problems with that transition. It's very musical, it's very 80s, very street soul, very hip hop, a lot of bass, a lot of reggae, a lot of dub. It's not gonna be like Starlight Express. I'd say that the Creative Fellowship was life-changing. Definitely. For me, it got me back into creativity, got me back into art, got me back into writing, helped me. And this is why I think it should be available to a larger number of people.